Indiegogo is a crowdfunding platform similar to Kickstarter. To back an Indiegogo project, first go to www.indiegogo.com. You will need to log in to your account. If you are new, you will need to create an account. Indiegogo allows you to check out without creating an account, but I highly suggest that you set up an account to keep track of the projects that you back. Click Sign Up on the top right corner and fill in your relevant information. Then click Create Account. You should now be logged into your Indiegogo account. Search for the project that you want to back. Indiegogo gives the creator the option of flexible funding or fixed funding. Fixed funding is similar to Kickstarter, where it is all or nothing and the creator will only receive the funds if the campaign reaches or exceeds its goal. Flexible funding means that the campaign will receive all funds raised, even if it does not reach its funding goal. Scroll down to read the list of perks on the right side of the campaign page. When you see a particular perk on the campaign page that you are interested in, click on the perk itself. This will select the perk for you to continue with the contribution checkout process. Here, you can also add on any additional perks if they are available. You can select your country here to see the shipping costs. Click Proceed to checkout. Key in your shipping address and payment information. Check the box confirming that you understand that crowdfunding is not shopping and perks are not guaranteed. Click the Submit Payment button to complete your pledge. You will receive an email confirmation to confirm that you are now a backer of the project. When you contribute to a project, your credit card will be charged the amount of the contribution right after you confirm and submit your payment information. This is different from Kickstarter. Another thing that is different from Kickstarter is that you cannot change your perk. You will have to refund your existing perk and select another perk if you would like to change. You can only apply for refunds before any of the following occur. The contribution funds were disbursed to the campaign owner, the campaign ends, or the perk is locked or marked as shipped. To request for a refund, log into your Indiegogo account. Choose My Contributions from the menu at the top right. Then click View Contribution Details. If your contribution is eligible for a refund, you will see a Refund Contribution button. Click Refund Contribution to initiate a refund request. According to the Indiegogo help page, refunds can take up to 5 business days.